then he said he's got the warranty, and then I don't know anything about that warranty. So
it's all messed up.
If you can,
yeah, I'm on it.
If you can get on it.
Yep. So, do you have his list or any? Did Derek give you anything or?
Yeah, it's this. It's the front step. His refrigerator's toasted.
Okay.
It's binding on this side.
Feeling better, Alan? Beautiful. No. Like the Dua Lipa of windshield. We end up having to work on them a lot anyway.
Do you?
Oh, yeah.
I'm glad to find somebody that can work on them.
Yeah.
Because most people, you start talking to them and you tell them you got a Martin diesel and they go, what's that?
Right.
Now Kyle had talked about taking off this to be able to get in there, and you might want to do that, but this side thing comes off here. There's these screws, and then that's literally, when everything's disconnected, should slide out. They told me that. They said it wasn't necessary to take this off, but you might want to do it depending on what you got to do to get in there.
We've got a scissor cart we can get under there that's pretty low, so.
Okay.
All right. Get started on that.
Okay.
Oh, you're alive. I was worried, man. You were walking around there at night casing the place or what? Oh, he didn't say casing, he said I was out walking around at night, and I was like, oh, you're casing the joint or what?
Yeah. 18 Sergeant Central.
That kid makes a terrible criminal.
Idiots.
You see this, right? It's beautiful. Every time you catch me, my hair is like, I just woke up. Been working too hard. Love it. Bordur Tours keeps me busy, thankfully. If they didn't, then I'd have to get on Kyle.
Yeah, well, keep pushing that broom around and it'll get to that point. Less talk, more work.
My days as a carny finally paid off.
I was never a carny. So I made this for our friend Chef Gabe at Tucked Away Craft Kitchen in Mesa. He's an incredible chef. They make really amazing food. Anyway, he wants to be able to cook out on the patio, and they do a lot of events like weddings and stuff. So this is set up to be portable, and basically he'll load this thing up with charcoal, and he'll set a little grill on there. We're gonna do an adjustable grill on there. Maybe like a little pot on a swivel or something for soups and sauces or whatever too. So he wanted it big, so I made it big. So, and the feet are removable. These legs here come off. Just pull these pins and these bolts. But it's pretty stable. Doesn't really move much.
Getting there. Someday I'll be a real mechanic, like Weaver or Allen. If I do this enough, I'll be like them.
We need you like us.
Old and grumpy.
The wrapper might be wrinkly, but the candy's still sweet.
That was really cool.